Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 7b. Practice for Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'een. Remember, Tajweed is to recite Quran nicely. How? By taking care of makharij and sifat and other rules of recitation or qawaid. Let's take Tajweed tip number 9 first. Recite at slow speed. Previous tip was loudly. So you recite loudly but at slow speed. This way you can have a good control on your makharij and sifat and the rules. Otherwise you may try to catch one but miss another. So you should say, for example, Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'een, like that. And here we have the first line showing the mistakes that we commit, some people, in makharij, and second line no mistakes in rules. But anyway, let's start with Iyyaka. Don't say Iyyaka. Don't say Iyyaka. E should be clear. And the shadda or tashdid and ya also should be clear. Don't say Iyyaka. No, Iyyaka. So repeat 3 times. Iyyaka. 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 Na'budu. If you have problem pronouncing or articulating or saying ayn, this is the best practice. Na'budu, O Allah, we worship you only. Wa iyyaka nasta'een, and we seek your help. Even the message, is like, oh Allah, help me, also recite it properly. So na'budu, repeat it. If you say na'budu, na'budu, if you have problem saying ayn, repeat this hundreds of times. Every day, it will take 2-3 minutes in 1 week or 2 weeks, inshallah, and sometime you will get it. So repeat after me. Na'budu, 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 na'budu. And don't stretch at the end. Don't say na'budu. No, na'budu. Stop there. And also, don't read in Persian or Urdu style, especially for kasra or dhamma or zabar or zair. Pesh and zair. It is correct in Persian or Urdu, but not in Arabic. For example, don't say me, be, wefe. It should be mi, bi, vi, fi in Arabic. And don't say mo, bo, wo, fo. It should be mu, bu, wu, fu. Okay, so don't say na'budu. Na'budu. So repeat. Iyyaka na'budu. Iyyaka na'budu. Iyyaka na'budu. Iyyaka na'budu. And the next part is wa iyyaka nasta'een. Wa iyyaka is the same. So repeat once. Wa iyyaka. Wa iyyaka. Nasta'een. This is another opportunity for practicing the sound of ayn. Okay. Repeat 3 times. Nasta'een. 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 Wa iyyaka nasta'een. Wa iyyaka nasta'een. Wa iyyaka nasta'een. Wa iyyaka nasta'een. Let's take the whole verse now. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een. 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 That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.